My love, I miss you more than words can express, and my heart hatches for the warmth of your presence. There's a part of me that feels incomplete when you are not by my side, and I find myself thinking about you constantly. The sound of your voice, the way your laughter fills the room, and the way your touch makes everything feel right. I miss all of it. You are the light that brightens my darkest days, the calm in my storms, and the reason I smile. We have shared is like a treasure to me, and I hold them close to my heart. The way we connect, the love we share, it's something extraordinary, something I never want to lose. I can't wait for the day we are together again. Thank you for watching my video.